Okay, y'all, it's a new day, it's a new vlog. These next couple of days, apparently it's supposed to be super cold. And if you know anything about Texas, we get really scared when it gets cold. But to our defense, our houses are not built for extremely cold weather. People are afraid because a couple years ago, the weather got about this bad, if not maybe a little bit worse. And everybody's pipes, they started bursting. Yeah. And then secondly, people were losing power for like weeks. So it did kind of actually get a little bad. So that is why people are getting scared. Apparently the weather is supposed to hit really hard tomorrow. So a lot of people are not working tomorrow. I'm one of those people. I thought let's all embrace this cold weather together. It might snow. We'll get to experience that. And then, I don't know, see what we can do if we get trapped here. But since it's so cold, let's make some soup. Just a little weekend snowy update. It says that we have flurries, but I wanted to update you that we do not have flurries. It smells so good. Update. Luke's with me and it's still not raining. I mean, it's still not snowing, but it's cold as heck. But we're off to a Cowboys game. Who's playing? Cowboys versus Packers. We're going to a friend's house to go watch it, so I brought the camera just in case it snows.
My prediction is it's not gonna snow.
You never know. You never know. I have to make this quick because everybody in the car is very upset, but the Cowboys, what happened, Carlos?
I'm just really sad, honestly.
He can't talk right now. Cowboys did not make it clearly. Me and Luke honestly don't care, but
Yeah, I do.
don't trash us. Best part of the night was this bad boy. Ooh. Oh. I had to take the dogs outside, but I wanted to give you a little update with our winter wonderland. It is the next day, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and we, Texas, got our snow. This is our version, so don't judge. These are little snowflakes. Anybody making fun of us? Leave us alone. We only get this once a year. It's so sad. Look at these people playing. It brings people together. Y'all, we decided to get out of the house, get some coffee. It's our new favorite coffee spot. What's it called? Oh, Dark Ritual.
Yeah.
Ritual. Hot syrup ginger with milk and an extra shot of espresso.
Because you need it.
Luke's trying to make me poop. It was hot. It was so good though. This place is called Dark Ritual. Highly recommend.
It's in Fate, Texas. It's good.
And I'm not a coffee person and I like it a lot. But so does Luke. So that says something. What did you get? Have you tried it yet?
Something called Black Lotus Snow.
Hot Black Lotus with milk and extra shot of espresso. Guys, we're booking a trip to go to Colorado at the beginning of March. But somebody left Luke's old father in charge of booking it and he can't figure it out. Oh, hold on. Anyways, we're gonna go there and help try to book it.
I would say I would like to see if other people want to go. 2,400.
3 bedrooms,
so
3
funny.
bathrooms.
Oh, did I slide it?
The beds.
So, bedroom 1 has 1 king, bedroom 2 has 1 queen, bedroom 3 has 1 queen.
Last one.
And a double sofa bed.
It worked.
I've maxed out my trials on my water.
We are having issues.
It's a flight into Albuquerque. You guys would leave here at 12. Just because the time change.
Wait, what?
Southwest. So
It's 2:57, a little snow update. It's gone. Welcome to Texas.
see you later.
We'll see you next year. I was gonna say, if you're a bad, unhealthy snacker, Costco has these beef jerkies. Chomps, I guess. Very good.
Got it.
Get your full, gives you protein. There you go. Lip. Uh-oh. Remember we got that recliner? Well, it came in a gigantic box and we have a lot of other boxes, papers and whatnot. And so Luke is about to burn all of it in our fire pit that we got like a couple years ago. Here. Guys, we did not even eat that tomato soup yesterday because we ended up going to that game. Is that Siri? Oh, Luke's playing Oculus. Can you see? I didn't know they could see you. Anyways, so tonight we're eating it. So I put the pot on the stove to warm up the soup, and now we're making the grilled cheeses. Vlog watching a movie to end the night, and then tomorrow we are back to work. Super excited. But anyways, that was our weekend snowstorm vlog.